What is solar power? Your question's answered. Basically, solar power is energy that is actually harnessed from the sun. Although the sun is millions of miles away from Earth, if we had the ability to harness all the energy coming from the sun, there is more than enough power there to provide all the energy we need for the entire Earth. In fact, there is enough energy to provide plenty of energy for 10,000 Earths. While you can use solar power for a variety of appliances and other items, you have to realize that this is different than using this power to produce heat. There are two different principles that are used with solar power. If you want to produce hot air or hot fluids, then solar thermal principles are used. However, if you want to produce electricity, photovoltaic principles are used instead. If you want to produce solar power, there are four components that are needed, including a battery, a charge controller, a solar panel, and an inverter. It is the solar panels that actually get the radiation from the sun and use it to charge up the battery. Then, the charge regulator actually makes sure that the battery charges as it should. Of course, probably the most important pieces of equipment are going to be the solar panels, and usually they output energy in watts. These panels can be wired in a variety of ways, although usually parallel or series wiring is done to either increase the amperage or the voltage. So, are there benefits to using solar power? Yes. There are a variety of amazing benefits to using solar power. In fact, many people all over the world are already using this type of energy to supply their electricity. Some of the benefits are as follows: creation of new high-tech jobs, protection of the environment. Solar power is abundant, free, and renewable. Fuel supply is diverse. Rapid and cheap deployment. As long as the sun is hanging there in the sky, we will be able to have the energy that solar power produces. In fact, there is so much energy there, more than 10,000 times the amount of energy we need is available. You should learn as much as possible about solar power, so that you will know about the great benefits offered, and how your life will change for the better if you decide to go with solar power instead of using other energy sources. Conclusion: whether you have a business or a home, you'll find that solar power can offer many advantages for both. Solar power is one of several alternative fuel energy sources that is cheap and renewable. From a business perspective, this can add to the bottom line tremendously. From the home perspective, using this can cut down on expenses. Since solar power is friendly to the environment, you will not have to worry about toxins or pollutants from this type of energy, and you won't have to worry about the issue of global warming either.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.